When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we fall.
Now I need to play some music.
We can make it right, so go and let it all hang out tonight. Come do your hair talk, check my lips, baby, how you doing?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a soft glam makeup look for dark skinned women. Why am I alright, we're back. Soft glam makeup look for black women. What just happened to my voice? Anyways, yeah, let's just get into it and make sure you stick to the end. I just wanted to say, like, I remember like going to Sephora and wanting to buy the milk primer because everybody has been raving about this primer, and I walked in there. I don't know what happened. I just said, can I have a sample? I think I wanted to try it out before I actually bought it because I have like lots of primers and I'm not one to just stack a lot of things. I want to be sure that this is better than what I have before I buy it. So I got the sample size and I never ever got a chance to like try it, so I'm going to try it out right now. But like the sad part is I don't have Sephora no more. I mean, I kind of okay, I can get my hands on it, but like I'm just saying, I have the sample size that I'm trying out today. Just needed to share that information.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know.
Yo, I'm going to go in with my setting powder before the eyeshadow because in case of fallout, yo.
That we're holding on, even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
guys, so I should have gone in with Zam because that's kind of what I was looking for. Look at Zam on this eye and Soleo, I believe, I don't know, on this eye. It looks more yellowish. I prefer the more subtle shimmer than this. So we're going to clean this off and do it this way.
Show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show.
I'm going in with my highlighter just a little bit on my cheeks, and that's it. The lips. This thing is so easy. It's crazy. Need a little bit, just a little bit enough. Just a second when I'm broken. This is fun. Probably a lot on my nose. We'll deal with that later. For now, we're done. Let's do the lips. I'm going to line my lips just for the sake of it, honestly. I'm going to go in with Kylie True Brown, and then I'll top it off. See, this NYX bottles are like, anyways, we'll figure this out. Okay, let's go in with this first. This looks nice. It's just a little too dark for what I'm going for.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you
I have so many metallic things. I don't even know why. Let's just mess this up some more. Can you even tell? This is from LA Colors, and then this is from Revlon. I think this is more light on mechanic. This is more shimmery. Like this has like shimmers. Can you even see what I'm doing? I think I'm just like at this point, girl, you just crazy. But this has more shimmers and this is more metallic. Maybe I should go with the shimmery more. Should I? Just to have the glossy finish. Hey guys, alright guys, we're done. So dare I say soft glam? Would you say this is a soft glam? It is. I would say yes. Yes, it is. I'm not asking no questions. It is. And you guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment whatever video you guys would like to see from me. Subscribe as well to my channel and let me know if you enjoyed this video. Y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. Don't just subscribe, like hit the notification bell, okay? And also let me know how you guys are doing, what's going on, what's up with your life, what's happening, because I'm gonna tell you about my life right now. Like literally I have to go and like finish up some floor plans, and like yeah, like it's quite crazy that I transitioned from makeup to like, it's like these are like, I said like a lot just now, but basically two opposites in my life. This is why I enjoy YouTube and I do makeup and I do things like just completely opposite from my normal life, because I'm an architect. I deal with like technical things, calculations, research, writing, floor plans, like brainstorming, stuff like that. And then on the flip side, I come to YouTube and I just record a makeup video, and it's just so, it's different. I love it. I enjoy it. This is my break. Now, after this, I'm straight up going to go back to that. That's why my videos have been a little inconsistent this month. December is always rough, mostly. Yeah, I know why, it's school. But hopefully by January, you guys are going to start seeing videos from me back to back to back to back to back. But now I just need to figure out my design and like figure out what I'm doing and all that stuff. Yeah, I enjoy the opposites of my life and my hobbies and things like that, which is why I don't even do architectural stuff on my YouTube channel, although I want to do like a couple videos, like architectural videos. Not really architectural videos, but like, I mean really architectural videos. Basically just videos based on questions I've been getting from people. I don't know why people ask me this. Like I do makeup on my social media, how I get architectural questions, I don't even understand, but I'll do them nonetheless. But yeah, if you like this video, did I already say that? Okay, I think I should go now. Bye.
Oh, here we go.